Hello and welcome to the TigrePupbeauty channel. In this video, we're going to be doing the hair flip hairstyle using rollers. If this topic interests you, then please keep watching.
Tigre got the wigs, you gotta come through. Tigre's what you need to be a brand new you. Tigre wigs. TigrePupbeauty.
Okay, so right here, I'm just showing you my canvas wig block. 360 of the hairstyle we have going on now. Right here, I'm wearing the wig. I'm just kind of going to give you a 360 of what that looks like on my head so you can get a better visual of the comparison of the before and the after. So that's what you see me doing here. Okay, while researching this particular hairstyle when doing a roller set, I noticed that most of the rollers are going down, but once you get to the nape area, the hair is rolled up. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. Okay, so I've already shampooed, conditioned, and all that other good stuff, and I've applied my setting lotion and my frizz busting serum with a little bit of gel. And right now I have my rollers and my clips. I'm going to do, like I said before, I'm going to flip the very ends, or the very bottom where the nape area. That's setting lotion in that spray bottle, if you were wondering. And I'm going to roll the hair up. So that's what you're going to see me doing here. And then the rest I'm going to roll down, but I'm just going to give you a full video of everything that I did so you can do this at home. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you that I've staggered the rollers so that it won't have any large gaps in between. So that's what you see me doing here, like a bricklay pattern. And I would recommend that when you're doing this particular look, so you won't have any large gaps in between the finished style. Okay, so right here I'm going to start rolling the hair down. And yeah, so that's what you're going to see me doing here. So we're just going to keep watching, and you're going to see everything that I'm doing so you can recreate this look at home. Hey, did you know I sell wigs? I sell 5x5 closure wigs of varying cap sizes, cuts, colors, styles, okay? And I'm going to be getting into lace frontal, but right now I'm just doing the closure wigs because it's easier to maintain and whatnot, and it's beginner friendly. So if you were in the market to purchase a closure wig, then please check out my webpage, as you can see at www.TigrePupbeauty.com. TPup is short for TigrePupbeauty, to make it a little bit easier instead of a long text. So check it out. Thanks for watching.
Tigre got the wigs, you gotta come through. Tigre's what you need to be a brand new you. Tigre wigs. TigrePupbeauty.
Okay, so right here, I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do with the sides, if I wanted to flip it up or roll it down, but I decided to flip it up, so that's what you see me doing here. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks. If you find my videos beneficial, helpful, and you would like to contribute to the channel, please make your contribution to my Cash App. The link is in the description section down below. Thanks. Okay, so here's what the hair is looking like after I did my complete roller set. I'm going to dry the hair and we'll be back for further details. Okay, so here is a reminder of what the hair will look like before we begin. I'm just going to give you a 360 of what we're looking at on the canvas wig block, and I'm going to do the same thing on my head so you can see what the contrast between the before and the after. So that's what you see me doing here. Okay, so right here I've taken all the rollers out, and I'm going to use a little bit of frizz-free serum here, and just making sure I thoroughly coat the entire hair, not just the surface, going in interior and applying it throughout, and applying it as best as I can and brushing that through to make sure we have even coverage. Okay, so here's the completed look. Honestly, I think I would have liked this better if the hair was a little bit longer. But anyway, I still believe this is a pretty good look if you were interested in doing the hair flip with a roller set. And hopefully you learned something new in this video, or reminded you of something you used to do and probably should get into doing it again. This uses less heat on the hair which means it looks a lot better. And apparently when you do a roller set, it looks a lot shinier. So that's something to consider. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.
TigrePupbeauty.